All right, everybody. So I know it's been several days since I've posted anything on YouTube. Just been super busy. So I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. We're going to go over credit repair results, my Facebook groups, both of them, and TikTok, even my community on YouTube, as well as identity theft. So I'm going to put some screen views on here for y'all to just see the results that we get. Because at the end of the day, that's what credit repair is all about, is getting you results. So I'm going to show you the results that we've been posting in our community channel and my personal Facebook and my Everything Credit LLC Facebook page as well, just so y'all can see the results that we get. We're not all talk here. We do deliver results. We deliver results when others can't. Now, at the end of the day, nothing is promised and nothing is guaranteed. So I want y'all to really understand that no matter what these other people, these other scammers, these other entrepreneurs are telling you, nothing is guaranteed in credit repair, and credit repair takes time. It is not a quick fix. Now, when it comes to identity theft, if you are a true victim of identity theft, yes, we can help you. Now, what I mean by that is you have to get a police report and you have to get an FTC report before we can help you. If you just say you're a victim of identity theft, we will not be able to help you. We have to have documentation. And for that, you will sign up for the pre-litigation program, because if we have all the documentation that we need, all the proof we need that you are a true victim of identity theft, and these creditors and credit bureaus still don't want to do their job, well then guess what? They're going to have to pay, and they're going to have to pay you. So you're going to make money off this as well. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but if we can prove you are a victim of identity theft and they don't want to remove these items, we will go to bat for you and try to sue them and get you paid, as well as get these items removed. So again, sorry I hadn't made any videos lately. Just been super busy. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing all the results. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great day.